Upper arm. I got a shot in my upper arm. Forearm. His forearm is hairy. Wrist. I wear a watch on my wrist. Hand. Wash your hands. Palm. Read my palm. Back of hand. She wrote on the back of my hand. Finger. Point with your finger. Thumb. Give me a thumbs up. Index finger. Use your index finger to press. Middle finger. His middle finger is long. Ring finger. She wears a ring on her ring finger. Little finger. I hurt my little finger. Fingernail. Cut your fingernails. Knuckle. He cracked his knuckles. Leg. My leg is asleep. Thigh. She has strong thighs. Knee. He fell on his knee. Kneecap. My kneecap hurts. Shin. She kicked my shin. Calf. His calf muscle is big. Ankle. I twisted my ankle. Heel. My heel cracks in winter. Foot. My foot is cold. Sole. The sole of my foot is ticklish. Instep. He kissed my instep.
Toe. Don't stub your toe. Big toe. My big toe is swollen. Toenail. Paint your toenails. Skin. My skin is dry. Pore. Pores can get clogged. Freckle. She has freckles on her nose. Mole. He has a mole on his cheek. Wrinkle. Wrinkles appear with age. Armpit. Shave your armpit. Achilles tendon. He injured his Achilles tendon. Sideburn. He trimmed his sideburns. Crown. I have a pain in my crown. Bridge of nose. He wore glasses on the bridge of his nose. Cupid's bow. Her Cupid's bow is very defined. Dimples. She has dimples when she smiles. Side. He lay on his side. Flank. The horse's flank was sweaty. Wrist bone. My wrist bone sticks out. Ankle bone. He broke his ankle bone. Fingerprint. No two fingerprints are the same. Toe print. A toe print is less common. Hairline. His hairline is receding. Side of neck. She has a tattoo on the side of her neck. Shoulder blade area. I feel a knot in my shoulder blade area. Lower back. My lower back aches after lifting. Thank you for watching.